Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to turn on notification on specific Instagram account on your iPhone. So first thing we have to do here is just open the Instagram application, and now let's find out which Instagram account that we want to turn on notification. And so for example, I want to turn on the notification from the TOXO and City, since I a big fan from this account. So here we can like turn on the notification by just click into this button. You can see that there is a bell button here. You just need to click it, and after that you just need to decide what content that you want to give the notifications on. So for example, I want to turn on the notification for the post. So every time that Taeyong post some posts, they will be appear on my notification on my phone. So as well as I want to have a notification whenever the Taeyong creating or sharing the story, so I will turn on the story as well as the reels and the videos too. Okay, so after you're done, you just need to go click anywhere randomly, and that's all. So you already turn on all of the notification related to Taeyong content. So whenever Taeyong create a story, post, video, or reels, they will be appear on your phone notification. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. So if you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.